Hi, Agnes from Holland, filming from home. What I want to do is I have a beautiful blonde mannequin head and I'm gonna do the new Elumen grey tones, level 6, level 9, creating a balayage with a beautiful face frame in front. So let's have a start and see how it goes. For creating my face frame, I'm making sure I'm not doing the root color in between to get a more chunky results, because chunky face framing is going to be more trendy now. Ready for my top section? I'm going to work in diagonal sections to the crown area and alternating my level 6 and my level 9 of the grey of Elumen. If you want to see some more great work from us, follow us on YouTube. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time for some great color. Bye!